What the fuck? Welcome back to the channel, dudes. This is built by Blake. I'm Blake, blah, 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 blah. How long is it gonna take this guy to assemble a motor? Well, when you are as qualified as me, which is fucking none, yeah, at least 3 episodes, I think, or 4 episodes. I don't know. This has been going on for months for me, because I'm just ticking away at it when I get time. Today, I know what you're thinking. Tgv Deletes are gonna go on. Wrong, they are not. Oh, Jesus. I picked up one of these, which is, you can't even see it. Oh God, it's actually heavy. Nice. Oh, so this is a long runner manifold. It comes off a 2.5 litre NA motor, so not turbo. Obviously, as you can see, the longer manifolds doesn't have TGV, so heaps better airflow. It's a pretty common upgrade. This one has been shaved as well. They do look like wrinkly and like what a regular STI manifold would look like. They look pretty garbage. Oh, sit this here if I can. Don't scratch the paint job, dog. Damn, look at that bad boy. That's reverse mount at the moment. Not doing reverse mount, can't be bothered to handle that. Maybe one day. So today we are gonna slap this whole motor back together. So if I can remember how, wait 1 second. While we're in the mood of getting out new parts, this one's even heavier again. I picked up these bad boys. Swish. I picked up these bad boys, which are PSR, Pro Speed Racing, unequal length headers. These are the business. I got these at a price I couldn't pass up, and they were always going to be my upgrade anyway because I'm going to need them for the power that I'm going to make. These are like, they're just so nice. Look at that. Very, very nice. We'll also probably chuck those on there today. Chuck the headers on. I'll probably bolt the up pipe on too. We are going to have to cut the up pipe and then for the twist mount. Pro Speed Racing sell a twist mount setup, but it's like $2,000. I'm not taking the piss, it's $2,000, and all I can imagine is it is the up pipe cut and slightly welded in a different way, which we can do, anyone that can weld can do. Twist mount the turbo. It's a V-band setup anyway, so you're gonna have all this play directionally wise. So anyway, let's start bolting all this thing back together. I really cannot remember how this goes because it's been months for me. It has been literally months taking this all apart, getting it sorted. So this will be a very fun puzzle of going back through my phone and looking at the photos I've taken and probably going back to old videos that I even filmed and seeing how shit was meant to go and how stuff was meant to be put back. So let's jump into assembling this bad boy back up. What the fuck? So that's just about done now. All of the boring stuff anyway, all of the wiring harness. It looks a bit shitty because the old manifold used to kind of tidy all this up a bit. I'm going to move on to this bad boy, which is, it has been shaved and polished as I mentioned. I'm just going to give it another one because it looks garbage. And then we'll slap this on there with our new gaskets and whatnot. And then we'll sort out where this is going to sit because obviously this doesn't have routing, the other one did. So let's go and have a look at polishing this bad boy up. Done. This thing looks legit. Let's go chuck this bad boy on. So just about to chuck this manifold back on, but I think now is a good time to talk about these things. These are Phenolic Spacers, which are space grade something. They basically are made of this awesome looking stuff that prevents heat transfer. So it'll prevent heat coming from your block. Obviously these sit in between your block and the manifold on top. So you put a gasket either side and it prevents heat coming through. So obviously heat soak into your air temperatures. Hotter the air temperature, slower you go. They aren't actually that good apparently for heat transfer, I don't know. The best thing for them is just the fact that they give you these like 9 mil, I think 8 mil of clearance. So your manifold sits higher so that the turbo the turbo hot side coming through under your manifold, you've got way more room to work with. So let's rip in, chuck these on, chuck our new manifold on and start mocking everything up and see how we go.
Eleven minutes later.
So we are back, and in typical me fashion, I did not film an outro for this episode. The headers are on, manifold is on, everything's back together, and we've started looking at potential intercooler pipes and all the stuff that we said were going to become an issue. But due to recent events, personally and channel-wise, this could, and I don't know yet, but that could be the last time that you ever see that motor. I'm not sure yet, which breaks my heart a little, but also excites me because if things fall into place, it's going to be pretty f***ing legit. Moving forward, next episode is going to be our 1,000 subscriber giveaway, which f***ing blows my mind. That is ridiculous that 1,000 people even care what goes on in this life or world. I started this channel for just something to do, to be honest, and the fact that we've hit 1,000 subs blows my mind. So anyway, you guys have to stay tuned. All the details will be in the next episode. It's going to be a giveaway, and it's going to have a lot of stuff in it that I think is really cool, and it's all companies that are one, either Australian, or two, are stuff that we use on the channel all the time. Hence my little airlift jacket, and it's sick companies too, like it's not shit companies. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any questions on how we did stuff, or what we did, or how we did it, or what I should have done better, as always, drop them down below, and I'll endeavor to get back to you when I can. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye!
Ever since you shut the door on everything we knew, you're too late for love, love,